Today we are making easy 2-ingredient chocolate peanut clusters in our Dining on a Dime cookbook. On page 264, we call it microwave candy in here, but you can use peanuts, almonds, walnuts, whatever kind of nuts you would like. You're going to need a package of chocolate chips or a package of almond bark. If you use the almond bark, these have a nice little handy tray that you can just melt the almond bark right in the tray, and you don't even need to dirty a bowl. Pour your chips in your bowl, and we're going to melt these. Stir your chocolate to make sure all your chocolate chips are melted, or your almond bark. Then you're going to add your peanuts. Stir until thoroughly coated. You're going to drop by spoonfuls onto your cookie sheet. Cool until hardened, and then enjoy. If you want to eat better and spend less, please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Go to livingonadime.com. This recipe is in the link in the description below.